Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use CapCut Pro for free PC. So to have a CapCut Pro for free, all you need to do is simply download the CapCut version 1.8.1, which is the older version of CapCut, in which you will have a free Pro features it offers. So in here to proceed using this CapCut Pro, just simply click the import button to upload or import here the file and simply drag it directly to your timeline. And once done, all you need to do is simply add additional kind of features using the editing tools and you can find on the left side panel. We have here the effects, the media, and also this audio. All you need to do is simply choose here the kind of audio, or you could also import from your computer files. So from here, just simply click the plus button in order to start adding the audio, or you could also adjust the duration of it. And after that, from here, aside from that, you can also navigate to change the text or add a text in here, such as by choosing your own font style, font size, color of it, and many more. You could also navigate this text effects, the auto caption, local captions, and many more. And that depends on your preferences in here. As you can see, we also have here a variety of stickers that you can choose from that is offered for free if you're using the older version of CapCut for your PC. So from here, you can simply select here or download first some the sticker, and after that it will show you in here in our video that has been applied once you click the plus button. You could also adjust the duration of it in our video. Now moving on, aside from that, under the effects section, you could also select here either a video effects or the effects for the entire video or only to the subject, which is the body effects. We have here the blur, face, optical scan, and many more. It will also show you a variety of category on the left side panel that you can choose from, such as mood, a glitch, retro, light effects, lens, and many more. So basically, you could also navigate here or simply apply all of these effects depending on your needs for free in here in our CapCut Pro. Now moving on, you could also adjust or add a transition, but firstly make a split between the video and simply choose here the transition. Now as you can see, we have now successfully click this plus button. It will show you that the transition has now been applied in this part. So all you need to do is simply play it to see the result, which is this one with a black fade transition. You could also adjust the duration of it depending on your preferences. Moving on the top right corner, you could also adjust the audio of your video, including the volume in here to make it fade in or fade out, normalize the loudness, enhance the audio, and many more. And you could also adjust the speed, add an animation for it, or the video animation in and out, or combo, or even adjust by clicking auto adjust in here that is offered for pro account, the color match, and many more. So basically all of these are all free if you're using the older version of CapCut PC. And once done, we're already done applying here all of this basic effect or adjustment. All you need to do is to simply click the export button on the top right corner once done. Or you could also select your preferences of resolution and also a frame. But overall, that is just basically how you can use CapCut Pro for free in PC.